Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you must be knowing that I'm a huge lipstick hoarder and I love collecting lipsticks. I usually had a lot of difficulty in finding very nice pigmented lipsticks for my skin tone. A lot of lipsticks in my collection, most of them are from MAC or Smashbox, and I do like them, but however, I came across this one product randomly on Instagram. It's a 5-in-1 lipstick from the brand Rene. I think there is this TV actress. She has launched this brand, and I'm quite surprised by the pigmentation and the quality of this lip color. So, apart from all the very nice features, it contains jojoba oil and it's matte. This is one thing I really liked about this lipstick, and moreover it's got all the shades that would suit any complexion, and they will come across very differently amongst all the different complexions. So yeah, and it's got like all these lip colors, and then you push it like those pencils that you used to have in childhood. You push it like this and it's going to come out, and then you're going to press it. So that's how the lip colors turn out now. So this is one product that will cover everything I need, and I've tried it on. I can use it as a blush, I can use it as an eyeshadow, like that monochrome look which I had shown you all in the first or second makeup video that I had created. So I think we can move forward with the swatches if you all want to see how this looks on my skin tone. So keep watching. So this is a very nice reddish pink shade which looks so bright on my skin tone, and it's completely matte. I would not say that it's not transfer proof. You can see a little bit still comes on, but I think after maybe 2-3 times it'll just stop fading out like that, but that's just a very minor con for this. So now moving on to the next shade, and push it back again. It's so much fun. Now trying this bright red shade. I think this is going to be a perfect dupe for Ruby Woo. I just have the feeling. Wow, just look at this pigmentation. It's just so good. It's a very nice blue based red which will flatter all skin tones. I mean, because it's just fabulous. It's looking so nice. So, and I would want to tell that all this that I've applied is on bare skin. I've just had a bath, and this is like my natural skin tone. I've not put anything, no BB cream, no foundation. This is like my completely natural face. Now moving on to the next shade. This is a very bright orangish rustish color which I've never really tried on before, because I used to try that Smashbox driver's seat, but it completely washed me out. So I have my hopes high for this shade. Let's see how it looks. I think it looks really nice. I mean, if an orange can flatter a dusky skin tone, I think it's worth the buy. It's like worth every penny. I'm just going to use it as a blush, because well, that's what I always do with mostly all my lipsticks. If you can't use a lipstick multi-way, then what's the point of buying a lipstick? Wow, just look at this color. It really gives a very nice natural finish to my skin. I'm in love with this. This is just so good. Now moving on to the next shade, I'm going to push the pencil again, and this is a tomato red shade, which I think will also look very nice. Oh my god, this is so bright. It's like the brightest red out there. This is just amazing. It's somewhere close to Smashbox Boss, which is like a very nice red shade that I own. But however, you know, to apply liquid lipsticks, I really require a mirror and maybe like solid 1 minute. But with this, I can just glide it on and it's like I'm set. This is like a really good lipstick. Now moving on to the next shade. It comes off really easily. I'm like quite happy for this because I've heard, I don't know for sure, I heard that lipsticks that don't come off that easily contain a lot of amount of lead. So I think this is a plus point. Now I'm going to try the next shade in this range, which is a pink, and it's a very nice baby pink. Usually I don't really prefer pink shades because they tend to wash me out. I prefer a lot of mauvish shades or deep pink and magenta and plum. This is like the first time I'm trying a hot pink shade, so fingers crossed. Well, I wouldn't say I'm a fan of this pink one, but I can make it work with the red that is present in this, you know, this kind of red, to give it a mauvish look. And I think I can manage to work it out, but it looks really nice. I don't think so it washes me out in any way, and it gives a very nice pop of pink color, and I've used it on my lids and as a blush on as well. This is the final look, and this product is for 750 rupees. There are 5 matte shades in it, and I think it's a steal at this price. Also, this is a non-sponsored post. I've paid for this, and I've genuinely done this review because I was really happy with this. You know, it's a nice, unique idea, and if some brand is actually bringing something like this out, and it's, you know, you should promote it. It's like good. I think it's made in India also. Yeah, so like I really think we should promote our Indian brands as well, and it's a good idea. It's like that pop-up lipstick, and you keep using the colors, and the shades are also very nice. They don't wash you out. Most of my friends, they don't like makeup that much, and their choice of lipsticks are also very limited. They don't usually like playing with color, and they go with the, you know, the mainstream lip colors. So I think this is a perfect buy for you guys. This is gonna cover all your needs, and yeah, I really like this. It's gonna be in my bag permanently. It's like a quick fix. I am very happy with this purchase of mine. I hope you guys like this review, this small review, and if you do want me to show you a collection of all the lipsticks that I own, so you can always refer it in the comment box below, and I'll take in your suggestions as well. And see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.